Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to Being Silly with Marqueta. I'm having way too much fun with this project. I want to start by saying thank you so much for all the love and support you've shown me this week. It's been amazing. So, in today's video, we are going to be painting. No, we're not going to be painting because paintbrushes are for kitten massages. Here's my half bathroom that I'm not too fond of. I'm sure there's others that can relate to that. I want to change it up and I want the walls to be completely black. So I'm using contact paper from Home Depot and I'm using that one because I love the leather feel to it. I tried Dollar Tree vinyl at first, but it peeled off the wall. If you can find the quick cover in black at the Dollar Tree, that would be a better option. So I began installing my contact paper by starting with the corners and covering edges. Contact paper is so much better than paint. You don't have to worry about any spills. You don't have to wear painter's tape, primer. You don't have to wait. And that's what's so awesome. And no second coats. Although there is one little problem, just one little problem with contact paper. Short girl problems. I'm learning to deal with this problem. I actually learned that if you just peel off a little of the top layer and then jump as high as you can without falling down, you're good. I'm actually not using any tools with this contact paper. I'm using my hand because I learned that the more tools that I use with this black, it's like textured leather. It scratched it a little bit. I love using contact paper for wall color because you don't have to commit to a color and it's DIY friendly. It's easy to maintain, just a little pledge or a little Windex. Technique that I've learned that works really well if you just let gravity take the contact paper towards the wall as you remove the paper backing, it just goes on without air bubbles really smoothly. And here's a final look at my black walls. I love them. And I was even able to make shadow puppets. How awesome is that? I'm gonna have a part 2 to this video posted later on this week. I can't wait to show you what I came up with. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I love you all so much. Oh, yeah, and welcome all newbies. Thank you all so much. Welcome. I love y'all. And I can't wait to continue this journey with y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Love you.